Hi everybody, CANNABEARD here. How the heck are you doing today? I got a box from AC Infinity. I don't even know what's in it. I know it's a gift box. I know it was a gift. So what's in the box, man?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box? Give me the gun.
Let's just find out. Let's just see what's in here. Open it up. There we go. Now. Ooh. Aw. CANNABEARD loves you too. Cool. What do we got here? What do we got? No way. Okay, for starters, there's weed sprinkles in here. There's like sparkles, not sprinkles. Weed sparkles everywhere. Cool. A hip bag or a fanny pouch or whatever you want to call these things. Wow, that is really cool. A smell-proof one. Okay, I gotta look at this. I gotta just take it out. Let's have a look. Let's just see what all this stuff is. Cool. So it's a bunch of like swag. Friggin' A. Thank you, AC Infinity. Has it got your logo on it? Oh, it does. Not very prominently, though. You won't be able to... Nobody would notice it. Why do I smell it? Like it's going to smell like anything. It's smell-proof. You can't smell it. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. You could fit some dabs and some flowers in there and stuff. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so what else do we got here? We got a lot of goodies in here. So we got an AC Infinity herb grinder. A little herb grinder. Well, hold on a second. Okay. I'm going to open it up. Come on. There we go. Oh, it's a metal one. I figured it would be a plastic one. Oh, it's loose because it's got the keef section in it. Right, it's even got a little scraper thing in there. There we go. Oh, that had a good magnet on it. Oh yeah. All right. Cool. Herb grinder. Oh baby, these are a good one. This is a nice box right here. This is a pair of their sunglasses. This is their amazing glasses with all the different lenses. I'm not going to open this right now. I'm actually going to add this to my giveaway pile because I already have a pair of these. They're amazing. They come with 3 separate sets of lenses. So if you're using high pressure sodium, LED, or whatever the other type would be, it's got all the different lenses for all the different spectrum things. And they're pretty comfortable, honestly. And they look cool. They don't look all super lame like so many others. What the heck is this? Oh, some shears. Some scissors. I already have a pair of these as well. These are a pair of scissors. You can see them in the package. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add maybe a little pile of this stuff that I already own. I have some of this stuff, so I'm going to throw some of this into my giveaway pile for the 50,000 subscriber special here. Oh, we got a whole bunch of other goodies in here as well. We got a bunch of recharge. I know a lot of people have been fans of this stuff. I've never used it, but that's cool. Now I got some, and I can test it on out. What the heck is this? There's a whole bunch of stuff in this here. We got a... Oh, cool. It's an AC Infinity keychain. It's like a little tent. Very cool. We got an AC Infinity, one of those card grinders. That's pretty cool. We got some stickers. We got a special offer on some nutrients that are being supported by this brand. More stickers. Oh, cool. Look at these AC Infinity stickers. Weird. Very cool. So a bunch of very cool stickers. The box itself and a t-shirt, a frickin' t-shirt. Oh, right on. Even a nice big fat size for me. Where's the opening? Here we go. Let's have a look and see what this thing looks like. What's going on here? Okay. Ooh, decent. Look at that. And it just has a little... It was a nice feeling shirt. Ooh. All right. Let's put it on. Oh, yeah. This is a nice feeling shirt. It's soft. I don't even know what this is made out of, but it is very soft shirt. Oof. Right on. Thank you very much, AC Infinity, for this wonderful merch pack. I'm going to use a few of the items as re-gifts and give away a few things, as I already have them, like the scissors and the goggles, like I said. But now someone else can enjoy them as much as I do. So thank you very much, AC Infinity. If you, the viewers, want to check out some of the AC Infinity products, use my code, CANNABEARD, right here. Save yourself a couple of bucks. Yeah, man. AC Infinity. Best ventilation and some of the best growing products around right now. So, yeah. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video if you did like it. Let me know in the comments below if you use AC Infinity products and are jelly of my cool new shirt. And I'll see you next time. Cheers, everybody.